Drinking this drink every day will help you lose belly fat in just 1 week. The first ingredient is lemon. Drinking lemon water can boost the body's metabolism to a great extent. Metabolism is a process by which the body makes and uses energy, calories, to function. In other words, the better your metabolism, the more calories you burn. To lose belly fat, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Therefore, when you have a faster and higher metabolism, you will lose belly fat quicker. Besides, lemons have a diuretic properties, which help in detoxifying the body. This also aids in helping burn fat. Now prepare 1 lemon and cut it in half. Squeeze lemon juice into a bowl. The next ingredient of this recipe is cumin seeds. You can lose fat from the belly as well as the whole body in just 1 week by drinking cumin water daily. Cumin can help you burn calories faster by increasing your speed of metabolism and improving your digestion. When you have a healthy digestive system and a faster metabolism, you will automatically lose weight and lose belly fat. In addition, drinking cumin water also makes you feel full for longer and suppresses hunger pangs. Hunger pangs and cravings for comfort food are the biggest enemies of weight loss efforts. Therefore, by drinking cumin water, your calorie intake stays under control and you will lose weight more easily. Now, prepare a saucepan and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then, add 1 cup of water. Put the saucepan on a stove and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool down for a few minutes. Strain the liquid into a cup through a strainer. Then, add lemon juice and mix well. Drink it once it's warm for the best result. You should drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. I recommend you stop drinking all the aerated drinks and sweetened drinks and replace them with this drink to lose weight efficiently.